What is up, YouTube? Today I am reviewing and unboxing the Guardians of the Galaxy Holiday Advent Calendar. This is by far the best and the worst advent calendar LEGO has ever released. If you were to take a short stroll through the website, you can see that this advent calendar has like 3 stars, which is pretty low for a LEGO set, and it usually means one of two things. Either it's overpriced, or customers have having issues. After a bit of research, I learned that people were getting a lot of duplicate doors and missing minifigures, which left this set heavily discounted before it sold out. Anyways, I have my own gripes with the set. First of all, the box isn't really decorative, and the doors on the back are super boring. Like, what are those even supposed to be? My guess is it's the glass boxes that the collector had in the first movie, but it's not really clear. So, if you can find a set without missing pieces and don't mind the boring box, I think this set is actually really cool, because you get a lot of minifigures, tiny ships, and drones from the first movie and the holiday special. So you can actually recreate a bunch of scenes that you see in the movie, and some of the figures are super unique and not available anywhere else. My favorites are the Quill, Christmas Groot, and I just love Rocket's massive gun. So let's get right into it and take a look at all the builds that come with the set. And you'll see that some of the bigger builds are combinations from multiple days, but those are fairly easy to spot. I hope you enjoy.